Knowledge versus awareness, what's the difference? The difference is this is a piece and this is the whole. Knowledge without awareness can be very dangerous. Our medical system works that way. Our medical system has a lot of knowledge. Knowledge that probably most of us in this room cannot even begin to comprehend. But they have all these pixels of information, and they've forgotten that all those pixels interconnect to create one single body, one unit, one organism that we call you. And because of that, it's created something very interesting. We now have pills called Accutane. It's good for your acne, but horrible for your liver, because we're using something called reductionism over holism. You cannot separate something from anything else, and what you do to one piece of anything will impact absolutely everything else. What happened next is what we see in the world today. Corruption, greed, war, a lot of things in our medical industry. Now I'm going to give you guys a very uncomfortable truth. Big Pharma doesn't exist because of Big Pharma. Big Pharma exists because of us. Big Pharma is a reflection of us. Because who's buying their drugs? Who's making them their profit? It's the lack of the awareness of the people as a whole that's allowed them to exist in the first place. How do we prevent these things? What is the bigger picture? And how do we make sure that it doesn't continue happening?